My name is Willie Pruitt, and I graduated with cohort 19. So prior to NSS, I guess the big thing I was doing, I was in the Air Force for 6 years doing air traffic control. I'd always had an interest in development, primarily through the eyes of a child and wanting to do video game development. But the idea of creating anything has always been at the forefront of my interests. And after getting out of the military, decided I wanted a little bit of a career change and ended up in Nashville, heard about NSS, and I figured, hey, they take the GI Bill, might as well give them a try. Ended up being a fantastic program, and I've got my foot in the door, and the people I ended up in class with, I was able to work with people from all types of different career fields, and that has probably been the biggest helper so far at the new job, is to collaborate with different people well from different lifestyles. So the search for the first job really wasn't that bad. I felt like I was actually really prepared for everything that I experienced, prepared for the interviews, for the application process, and there weren't any surprises that came up. And honestly, that's really just thanks to my time at NSS. As a veteran, Air Force, tech school, Army, AIT, whatever you may call it in your specific branch, NSS was along those lines where you can, if you're taking the full-time course, you can immersify yourself in nothing but code for 6 months. And being able to use the GI Bill at NSS, it covered all of my tuition costs. It also offered cost of living stipend, so I didn't have to worry about anything else while I was going to class. And because of that, I was able to focus on NSS just like a 9-to-5 job, and without the GI Bill, that would not have been possible. So I absolutely loved waking up every day and coming into NSS, knowing that the other 25 students in my class were gonna be there every day. Ended up creating a bond with them through all the different projects we worked on together. And at the same time, I really looked forward to those in-between times where I could work on those solo projects and really dig in. So graduation was bittersweet. As excited as I was to finish the course and to start looking for my first job as a software developer, I knew that I would be missing the interactions I'd been having these last 6 months with all the amazing people that I'd been able to take the course with. When I landed my first job, I was in the middle of New Orleans with snow falling down, and I feel like it was kind of like the perfect end to a vacation celebrating landing that first gig. My name's Willie Pruitt. I was an Air Force air traffic controller, and now I'm a software developer.